Hello from Stumbles and Fumbles, and thank you so much for joining us. In this video, we are going to be reviewing and showing you all of the features on a Benlari side-by-side utility case. Okay, so first we'll show you what looks to be a cell phone pocket, or even a small flashlight would fit in here. It does have Velcro so that you can secure it, and it has its own reflective stripe. And then we've got let me back up, two zipper pouches, one on top of the other with their own zippers. Let's open those and show you how much room it has inside. All right, to me, this would be the perfect size for snacks. Soda cans would fit in here, and the smaller one on the bottom, it's probably actually about the same size. It just looks smaller because it's new out of the package, so everything isn't loosened up yet. And then next, we have the main pouch with Benlari tag on the front and one of these snap closures. And let's go ahead and open that, see what it looks like inside. Okay, so this pouch has a 2-layer protection. So it's got this Benlari cover on it, which to me would act as a way to keep water from seeping into this pouch here and getting anything wet in here. So you've got this flap that covers this pouch that then unzips and opens up, so you could put anything that you wanted in here that maybe you wanted to be doubly is not a word, but double protected. Okay, this one has 2 pockets, mesh pockets on the outside, and it also has a zippered pouch here, and then the main pouch. Okay, you can see inside there. To me, this would fit an iPad perfectly. I'll get my iPad so you can see how it fits in there, and maybe it'll give you an idea of the amount of room in this one. And then last, but definitely not least, we have one more Velcro type pouch that you could put a phone or flashlights in this one too. All right. So there is an overall look at the Benlari storage case. And this one we'll be putting on our Honda Pioneer 704. And we'll put some stuff in it too, so you can see how it works. Okay, so I've got my iPad, a couple of sodas, some snacks, and a flashlight. So I'm gonna put those in here and show you how they fit. Okay, in the first pouch, I put a can of soda. Now I'm thinking it would just hold 1 can of soda, so that gives you an idea. There is some room to spare here, but I don't think another can would fit in here. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how these are the pouches where one was on top of the other. So you could put 2 drinks in here and whatever else fits with the extra space. And now the one I told you, let me scoot this down, that would fit a flashlight or a phone. Let's go ahead and put my flashlight in there. Perfect. And obviously a phone would fit in here too, but I'm filming with my phone, so I can't really show you that, but you get the idea of what size this pouch is. Now let's move on to the iPad pouch, at least the one I feel has plenty of room to put an iPad in. Yep, perfect. So let's hold this up so you can see it. Yeah, so I have got my iPad in here, and that should help you. This is a 10-inch screen on this iPad, so that gives you an idea of the size on this pouch here. And here's the one I thought, this is the one with the flap, I thought would be good for holding snacks or sodas or whatever. But let's go ahead, you could actually put whatever you want in here, but let's put a soda can. And some snacks. Oh yeah, this has plenty of room to spare. It goes down far. The soda can is here, and here is the top. So you have got plenty of room in there. And now actually the second pouch here would actually be good for snacks too. So there are plenty of options for the different pouches that are included on this pack. So now what we need to do is just get it installed and show you what it looks like on the side-by-side.